Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm happy to share up and coming and latest Louis Vuitton bags. Of course, I would be sharing to you guys everything that we need to know from prices, product codes, product features, and launch dates. Everything are going to be featured here. So kindly ready your phone to take a screenshot and check with your CAs for orders and availability. Guys, I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Help me reach my 4,000 subbies this year, guys. I would really appreciate it. And kindly like and share this video. Also, please do follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! I'm very happy to share upcoming Louis Vuitton bags launching May 2024. We are going to discuss two collections. So first would be the By the Pool 2024, and we would see the preview of the Fall Winter 2024 collection by Pharrell. Prices, features, launch dates are all included. Kindly take a screenshot and happy shopping! Let us start first with the continuation of the By the Pool 2024 collection Raffia. First, we have the No Way purse launching May 23rd, 2024. Price of this one is 1,900 euro. The main material of the collection is raffia. It would come with leather trims, it would come with leather strap and leather bag charm as well. Next, we have the Louis Vuitton Twist East-West configuration. Price is 3,600 euro or 4,450 USD. So this is an East-West Louis Vuitton Twist bag with full leather interior, but the outside part is made of raffia. It would come with gold hardware and two straps, leather and chain strap. Next, we have the No Way size BB. Price is 2,800 euro. We have SKU here. So size is BB, main material is raffia, and as you're going to notice, the interior, the base is made of leather. It would come with leather trims. It would come with leather strap as well. Next, we have the Capucines size BB. Price is 5,900 euro or 6,750 USD. The main material of this bag is rattan with leather trims. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap, and as we are seeing, it would come with leather interior as well. Still launching May 23rd, 2024. Next, we still have the Capucines BB. Price is 5,900 euro or 6,750 USD. The colorway of this one is like in the dark brown colorway. It would come with gold hardware. It would come with leather trims. Main material is rattan, and it would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap. Next, we have the On The Go size MM. Price is 3,200 euro. We have SKU here. Material is raffia with leather trims. This is a city exclusive, so this is the close-up of the leather trim. So this is another look, and it would come with a bag insert, as you could see here. So the insert comes in this summer print as well. Next, we have the very beautiful Nano Speedy. Price of this one is 2,350 USD. For the SKU, please do stand by, but already check with your CA because this is already available for pre-order. Main material is raffia with leather trims. It would come with leather strap, gold hardware, and leather bag charm as well. Launching May 23rd, 2024. And then we have the Capu Shell size mini. Price of this one is 5,800 euro or 6,750 USD. We have SKU here. Material, of course, is leather. It would come with detachable leather strap, and as you're going to notice, the base of the bag is wavy like a shell. Next, we have the next collection is the Fall Winter 2024 collection by Pharrell. So this is second runway collection in Paris Fashion Week. So first we have the Rodeo Speedy P9. So we have two sizes. Size 40 is 250,000 euro. Size 25 is 250. So this bag would come with very own trunk, just like the Millionaire Speedy. And then we have the Rodeo Speedy 40 P9. Price of this one is 70,000 euro for Speedy 40. So it has 3 SKUs, guys. Please take note. You could purchase this one in Alligator, in Nilo, and in Poro. So this one, it would come with bag tag, clochette, and detachable leather strap as well. Then it would come in Speedy 25. I love the size of the Speedy 25. Again, price of this one is 40,000 euro and can be ordered in 3 exotic finishes. So either in Alligator, in Nilo, and in Poro. This is an exotic croc skin Rodeo Speedy. It would come with detachable strap and bag tag and clochette as well. Then it would also come in the light blue colorway Rodeo Speedy 25 P9. Price is 40,000 euro. It could be purchased in 3 different exotic skins. So it can be Alligator, Nilo, and Poro. I am loving this light blue colorway with silver hardware as well. Then it would also come in the color Rust. Rodeo Speedy size 25 P9. Price is 40,000 euro. You could choose from the Alligator, Nero, and Poro just like the previous selection. It would come with detachable strap, bag tag, clochette, and again, as mentioned, color is Rust. Next, we have the Speedy P9 40 Bandolier. Price of this one is 28,000 euro. We have SKU here. The reason why it's expensive is because this is still part of the exotic leather collection. Material is ostrich. It would come with cactus green colorway. It would come with detachable strap, bag tag, and key clochette. It would come in the 25 bandolier version of the Speedy P9. Price is 18,000 euros. As you can see, this is the close-up. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap. It would have gold hardware. I'm actually loving the design, a bag tag and a clochette together. But definitely I would want to put them on one side. Then we have the Speedy P9 size 18B. So it is very rare again that Louis Vuitton is releasing a size 18 cm Speedy. Price of this one is 11,500 euro and the colorway is Canyon. Again, it would come with detachable leather strap, padlock, clochette, and bag tag as well. Then we have the horseshoe bag. Price of this one is 25,000 euro. Color is Canyon. You could choose either Alligator, Nilo, and Poro in different SKUs. It would come with leather strap with aged gold hardware as well in front. Then we have the steamer size 40. Price of this one is 28,000 euro. The main material is an ostrich, as you can see here. I love that it is a top handle and it would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap as well. So this is a reinvention of the classic steamer. Then we have steamer size 25. Definitely I would be choosing the 25 compared to the bigger one because this looks really cute. So as you can see, it would come with its own padlock. You could purchase this one for 28,000 euro in either Alligator, Nilo, Poro. Color is Canyon. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, among the very beautiful bag selection of LV that we have discussed, did you like anything so far? I would love to hear from you. So kindly comment down below which ones are you adding to your wish list. Also, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a dancing girl emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's the cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at RAFFIA2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!